So, good morning everyone. Today's topic is about disaster risk reduction and Panchayat Raj institution. So, everybody knows that what is the meaning of disaster and its legal definition. That is, disaster is a sudden, serious disrupt functioning of community or a society and cause harm to the human and material or economic and social ability to cope using with own resource. So, section under Disaster Management Act 2005 says about section 2 subclause D says about the disaster meaning, its legal definition. So let's see about disaster risk reduction. That is, the disaster risk reduction is that it is a potential loss of life or injury or disaster which could occur at a system or society or community in a specific period of time as a function of hazard. It is like a probabilistic exposure and a capacity. So it is also a systematic approach by identifying, accessing, and reducing the risk of disaster. It aims it focuses on the socio-economic vulnerabilities to disaster, dealing with environmental and other disasters and other hazards triggering them. The objectives of disaster risk reduction, that is the four major points, that is the mitigation, preparedness, knowledge, mitigation, preparedness, prevention, and response. The mitigation is that limiting the risk of the disasters impact, and the preparedness is that the preparing for the professional response and recovery for the knowledge and capacities of the governments. And the prevention is that preventing the new disaster risk and relocating exposed people and from the hazard area. And the response is that they will take action during the immediate emergency period and during the efforts to save lives. They are sole proper for the response. Disaster risk reduction and disaster management. So the disaster risk reduction and the management it is a sustainable development, and it is a part of every society, governmental and non-governmental organization. So the DRM includes these strategies, that is, avoid the construction of new risk, address pre-existing risk, and share and spread the information about the prevent of disasters. So let's see about the Panchayat Raj institution. The Panchayat Raj institution, in the Disaster Management Act, they will be, it is like an institution, that is the local governing institution, are marginalized and they have been reduced to local authorities. The word Panchayat Raj institution, it will been reduced to a local authority, and it is being expressed as a local authority also, and it is a statutory body elected by the local people through well defined democratic process as the specific responsibilities and duties, like the local authorities in the chapter 4 of the Disaster Management Act shows no thought that they have that not only made by these bodies or institution of self-government but also by democratic elected bodies. They have been nominated by the civil servants and not by the community, any other community. So the people of the ward and the rural communities, they they will be maintaining the district or the rural community, and the PRI, the respective body of the people, is the appropriate institution. Their activity is to, like, they can also be in the institution for the proper for helping involving in the disaster risk management also. So they can be in effective enhancing people response by disaster by forming a village level disaster response committee, and the main strategy is to risk assessment, identification of vulnerable groups and extend their vulnerability, preparing for early warning systems, and response in the planned terms of action strategies also.